Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to set the path for the Java and verify it from the CMD, which means the command prompt. So first of all, what is the Java? So the Java is a programming language and it is a very powerful programming language and there are endless things that you can do with Java. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I have opened my browser. All I have to do is type here and search for the JDK download. Then I have to go to this oracle.com site and then I have to click on the JDK download. Then I have to scroll down and download the version that is compatible with my Windows or with my other operating system. So I have to select this one. Then I'm going to click on this JDK download and click on the I have accept and click on download. Now it is being downloaded. So now our JDK file has been installed. So we will click over here. Now it is opening. Now I will have to click yes. Now it is preparing to install. I will just have to click the next. Now no need to make any changes. Click on next. It is installing. Okay, so alright, now I will have to click on close. So now what we have to do is we have to search for the we have to go to the computer properties. Now I will have to right click on this PC and go to properties. Now I have to go to the advanced system settings, click on yes. Then I have to click on this environment variables. Then what I have to do is I need to create a new variable called the path. Click on new, then create a variable called the path, and then the variable value. For the variable value, what I need to do is I will just open the file explorer. Now from here what I need to do is I will go to my the C drive and I have to go to the program files. Then I have to click on Java, then open the JDK, and first of all I need to click on this bin. Now I have to copy this file location. So to copy this file location I need to click over here on the free space and then just copy it. You can also use the Ctrl+C